babes? So, I was literally scrolling through TikTok the other day. Like, don't judge me. But you guys, I found myself deep in the Sephora VIB sale chaos, and OMG, I cannot even. It's like every TikTok is just screaming, oops, I spent all my money. You know those videos where people do these little haul flips and you're just like, girl, same? Okay, let's be honest. The Sephora VIB sale is basically like a magnet for all beauty lovers. Everyone's saying it's the ultimate temptation for overspending, and I am living for the drama. Not gonna lie. Like, I saw this one TikTok where a girl legit bought like 20 palettes in one night, 20. And the comment section, pure chaos. People were debating whether it's self-care or just, spending your paycheck on a whim. Honestly, I feel personally attacked because yes, I've been there too. So apparently, some beauty bloggers are starting to call this the worst overconsumption trend of 2025. I read a post that broke down how these VIB TikToks are kind of feeding this buy now, guilt later culture. And I was like, okay, that makes sense because every time I see the haul reveal sound go off, my hand is literally on my card before my brain can even process. Can we talk about the power of FOMO for 2 seconds? And you guys, the comments on these TikToks are gold. People are like, this is why I'm broke, or I told myself I was only getting one thing, but here I am with a cart full. It's honestly kind of hilarious, but also kind of sad. Like, are we all just falling into this VIB spending vortex together? I don't know if it's the marketing genius of Sephora or the peer pressure vibes, but it's definitely working. Not gonna lie, I low-key feel like this trend is kind of messy but fun. It's like, it's excessive, but it's also so satisfying to watch. Like, do we need 12 highlighters? No. Will we buy 12 highlighters? Also, yes. And honestly, watching other people do it almost makes it feel socially acceptable. Kind of like a beauty support group, but with more lipsticks and guilt. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, Kayana, I'm guilty too, don't worry, babes, it's okay. The VIB sale madness doesn't have to ruin your wallet. A little planning goes a long way. I like to make a list of what I actually need, or at least what I really, really want, and stick to that. Self-care can totally include treating yourself, just maybe not everything in sight at once, And can we talk about how visually addictive these TikToks are? Like the way people set up their haul reveals with those cute little transitions, the music, and the sparkling highlighters. It's basically engineered to make your heart race and your wallet ache at the same time. Seriously, even if you're scrolling casually, your brain is like, maybe I need that shimmering lip gloss too. It's honestly kind of genius marketing disguised as entertainment. Also, I love how these VIB sale videos are basically a roller coaster of emotions. You start with excited anticipation, then the guilt hits, and finally there's the proud flex at the end when they reveal their massive haul. And honestly, I live for that drama. Watching someone else go through the oops, I spent all my money moment makes you feel less alone when you do the exact same thing. It's like, yeah, we're all guilty little beauty addicts together. Now, not everyone is vibing with this trend. Some bloggers and financial TikTokers are saying this is literally the worst overconsumption trend we've seen in a while. They're like, girls, slow down. Your wallet will hate you later. And honestly, they're not wrong. I mean, seeing a $500 Sephora card on repeat is like intimidating. But also, part of me is like, it's all for fun. Can't we just admire the chaos from afar without judgment? Confession time, babes. I've totally been caught up in the VIB hype myself. That little add to cart button is way too tempting, and suddenly my shopping list becomes a wish list that's basically my whole paycheck. And then there's that internal struggle. Do I need this? Do I want this? And 0.2 seconds later, cha-ching, it's mine. Honestly, if watching these TikToks has taught me anything, it's that we all have a little splurge monster inside us. But honestly, babes, as chaotic as it is, I kind of love that we can all share these oops, I spent all my money moments and laugh about it together. It's a trend that's messy, fun, and totally relatable. And if you're gonna splurge, at least make it cute, intentional, and guilt-free. A little Sephora self-love never hurt anyone, and we can all admit it's entertaining AF watching the TikTok hauls blow. Up your FP. So, if you're vibing with this beauty gossip, check out my little corner of the internet. My Shopify site is live, and I've got some cute goodies that won't make you feel guilty after checkout. Remember, babes, it's all about treating yourself responsibly and enjoying life. All right, babes, spill the tea in the comments. What's your biggest oops I spent all my money moment from the Sephora VIB sale? I want to know who's in the same boat as me. And don't forget, it's totally okay to enjoy these trends responsibly. Life's too short not to have a little sparkle in your life, whether it's a new eyeshadow palette or a cute lip gloss. You deserve it, babes. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our little beauty fam. I'll keep you updated on all the latest TikTok beauty trends, VIB sales, and yes, all the little oops moments that make life fun. Love you, babes, and remember, a little sparkle never hurt anyone.